Yep, on. Lee's hooked up. On. That's the big rig in the afternoon.
That's not bad at all, mate.
Mate, you can't complain to that. G'day guys, welcome to Dads and Lads.
G'day guys, and welcome to Dads and Lads. You out here with young Lee down by the dam. Dun, 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 music dropping.
Yep, that's us. Righto guys, so obviously you've seen where we're at guys with the intro. It's been a hot minute since we've got out and done a proper episode. We are filming stuff in the background because the old patrol has flooded out, but you see that in the coming months, that video. So down here with Lee, obviously, he's currently chopping some wood. He's getting the fire ready to go. You'll see he's using these Fiskar Axes, which I've just bought. I've just bought this rig. Check out his video. What a piece of equipment, eh?
Yeah, money well spent, these ones, mate.
Aren't they? Get across, guys. I'll put his video link in the description. Check out his Fiskar Axe video. It's why I went one. So, well worth the money, eh?
Yeah, I reckon, mate. A few different sizes, but the X25.
Yep.
Good one for camping.
And that's what this one we got. So we're gonna get this fire going because we've got a little bit of a special cook-up coming up in a following episode.
It's gonna take a few hours, mate. Let's get this thing underway.
Let's do it. Righto guys, so bloody roast is on.
Roast's on, it's looking good. I've got the veggies there, just doing a little bit of a slow cook. They're slowly starting to brew up, mate.
Oof, saucy.
The lamb's looking pretty good, just a little crispy on the bottom, but we've just sorted the fire out, so we've got a nice ring around
Stay tuned for that episode.
But in the meantime, let's go fishing.
Let's go, I'm gonna go run that.
Little spinner.
Little spinner, E-Dawg.
I got a little diver on.
I think you get about 10 of them for $6 or something ridiculous.
Fucking focus. There you go, diver. Hopefully we can get a trout or a redfin, but we're just gonna cruise that way. Let's do it.
Let's go.
This is, mate?
I don't actually, Lee.
This is back in the old timers when they were doing the logging with the hand saws.
Yep.
There'd be one on either side of you. But if you didn't want to take any of this sort of root stuff,
yep.
This would have been chopped off at about here. People have just been cutting it for firewood.
Yep.
But you'd notch it out with your axe, jam a plank in, get up on the plank, and then chop the wood down where it's straighter.
There you go.
So this old boy here has been cut down well before chainsaws, maybe 70, 80 years ago. 100, I don't know, somewhere around there. So
it's an old tree.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of character.
Bit of history, mate. But
there you go. Oh, size 12 fits in there great.
There's one on either side, so that's where the old timers would have sat up there and sawn it down by hand. Would have taken a couple hours, I reckon.
Different times back then.
Yeah, different strokes.
Now you just pull.
Yeah, and sit it on there and get it down.
History lessons with young Lee. Let's keep going. Righto guys, so we're halfway on our walk. Lee was giving us a few history lessons and I thought I'd show some behind the scenes stuff. I get so many questions about how did you start your YouTube? How do you continue YouTube? What's it like filming, etc, etc. And I want to show you this, guys, because it's as real as it gets. So Lee was filming some shots by the fire. His camera and his memory card have had a bit of a freak out moment. It's pretty much asked him to format the card, which means he's going to lose all the footage that we've shot this morning, drive-in stuff. And he's got the laptop out.
Just out here enjoying the nature, mate. Fucking
I mean,
trying to get a Wi-Fi.
I mean, we talk about anxiety. It's something that comes with mental health, and I would have some severe anxiety right now if I filmed the whole morning and potentially have lost everything.
I might have to steal a few clips off you, mate.
It's looking that way. So, I mean, that's a bit of behind the scenes, guys. We've got this majestic scenery, and
well, you do.
My GoPro is playing the game today, but I mean, it doesn't sometimes, you know. Sometimes I've filmed episodes and it just, the card shits the tin. So you got this majestic stuff going on, and yeah.
Fucking technology, mate.
Technology.
Hate it.
Hate it.
It comes with the job.
Comes with the job. So, I mean, this is the view we got going on here. And it's a little bit stressful.
I'm just looking at my screensaver, mate. It's downloading, so we might be all right.
Might be in town. So make sure, guys, you get over and check out Lee's videos, if there is one.
There is one, yeah.
Nah,
day 2 of the camp, eh?
There will 100% be an episode, guys. So, but yeah, behind the scenes stuff, guys, it is quite stressful. A lot goes into these videos. You might have a 10-minute video and you've spent bloody 2 days filming it. So for all the people that ask us what's it like and how is it, it's stressful. There's a lot that goes into it. A lot of people don't see. So yeah.
Get out there, get some technology.
Get some tech into you.
Spend your money at JB Hi-Fi just to be fucked around.
That's how you get a YouTube channel. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see how we go, guys. We'll probably continue our walk. You'll see us bloody hiking. And yeah.
Is it worth it? Kind of.
It's kind of worth it.
5 minutes, we'll find out.
Let's go. Hopefully it downloads, guys, and we'll be bloody back on. But make sure you check out his videos, guys. He bloody puts a lot of time and effort into it, guys, and I can testify to that. It takes a lot, guys, to make an episode of quality, drone footage, all that sort of shit. So, yeah, see you guys back out there with more majestic footage. Let's go. Lee's hooked up. Oh, nice ready, mate.
Ready there?
Mate.
Check that out.
Wow.
First fish of the day.
That's a shucker.
Bit over the shuckers there.
Wow.
You reckon fisherman's basket for lunch tomorrow, mate?
I reckon, mate. I reckon that's the one. Right, guys, so I'm going to sign off for tonight. As you've seen, bloody Lee the local hooked up to already. So we're going to use that tomorrow for tomorrow's lunch. We're going to do a bit of a fisherman's basket. Shout out to my uncle. He dropped me off some Carnarvon squid that he caught. So we're going to do a bit of a fisherman's basket, some chips, some fish, and some squid. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in the morning. It's bloody going to turn it up here, guys. I don't know if you can see behind me how majestic it is. It's a time, just had some black cockies fly over, so it's tranquil. So yeah, see you guys in the morning, and we go for a fish. We're gonna go for an explore. Yeah, should be on to a winner. So Stay tuned. Morning guys, morning of day 2.
Yep, how'd you sleep?
Super cold last night.
It was very cold, it was about 2 degrees according to the weatherman.
Yeah, if that I reckon, maybe 0.
Yeah, but we got some
Got the
wood on
fire
the fire.
going.
Yeah.
You'll see we just had breakfast, bacon and egg sangers.
Yep.
Bit of fishing today?
I think that's about it for today. I reckon fishing and cook up some lunch, I reckon, at some point. But
Lee's got a bit of a special one planned. We're doing a fisherman basket. Jay got a nice ready last night. I'll put that footage in now. Jay with the ready.
Yeah, a little late afternoon ready, mate. Maybe an early breakfast tomorrow. Fish on the grill.
Let's go.
Yep. I got the one as well, but hopefully we can get a couple more. Maybe a trout. What else we got for it?
Squid. Yeah, I've got some calamari, some squid. So squid, reddies,
some chips, and might even get a nice turtle or something in the meantime.
Yeah, it's a good turtle will be.
We'll finish up these coffees and we'll get a flick in.
Let's head out.
Yep.
So we're out here, we're not catching much, but someone's been going for marlin. It's about 40 pound trace, and the old Kmart, I reckon. Old Jarvis Walker spinner there. The old mahi jumping out. We're going to keep going, we're going to fish this stretch and hopefully we get something for our fisherman's basket. Let's go. Lee's on. Trouty? Ready. Whee! Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, have a go at that.
It's not bad at all, mate.
Mate, you can't complain to that. I mean, I can't complain at all. I'm doing bloody shit house. Fish fingers.
Fish fingers for lunch.
I'll keep casting. Look at this beautiful spot. Yep, on.
E-Dawg's on. Day fruit on the day 2. Oh, looks pretty decent.
Similar size, mate.
On the eBay spinner.
Look at that.
Nicely done, mate.
Thanks, mate. Righto guys, so back at camp, we got a fish a piece. So I got one, Lee got one, which is good. So going to use that for Lee's fisherman basket that he's going to cook up us for lunch. So right now he's filling up some fish. I'll show you that because redfin can be a bloody pain in the ass. So obviously Lee's bloody local down here and he's catching a heap of them. So he's worked out a bloody bang on way. Got the fire back going. Super chilled afternoon. We're going to have the lunch, swim, chill out and see what else the day brings. But yeah, I'll show you these fish he's doing.
You're not seeing it done this way? Are you filming?
Yeah, filming, yep.
Right, we're on?
We're on. So obviously he's cut down the head here.
Yep. So you cut the head,
come down the sides.
Of the way.
Yep.
Down the sides. This is the good bit.
Yep.
Get your thumb in under the skin, between the meat.
It's like leather, eh?
Oh bro, this is the hard bit, but you know, you just got to pinch it, peel the skin off. One side, thumb between the skin and the meat. Work it.
Work it, baby.
Work it. Yeah. Scale in my mouth. Big old sack of eggs.
You gonna shot that?
Click and drag.
Look at that.
Turn the fish inside out.
That goes back in the river.
Yep.
Feeds the marron. He's gonna bang the fillet off. Happy days. Couple of fish fingers.
Yeah, should be all right.
So Lee's going to finish off them, get the fisherman's basket on, show you what he creates with that. We won't do too much filming. Jump over to Lee's channel, check that out. And yeah, we'll have a dip. It's a bloody beautiful day. It'll be cold, but you know, you got to do these things. And yeah, we'll take you along on the journey. Let's go. So guys, lunch is about to go on. I thought I'd keep showing you guys this behind the scenes stuff. Lee's setting up for a young Lee's kitchen, so jump over and check that episode out. But
I'll have it all presentable, mate.
100%. So we've mucked around for quite a bit. We've got his main camera set up here. We've balanced a GoPro on the table. We had it on the Blue Eddy. We've had it on the bloody roll of paper towel there. So a lot goes into these episodes. So I keep showing you that bits and pieces.
I think we're ready to go.
We're ready to go. So we're going to film Young Lee's kitchen. So jump over, check that out. I will show you the end result, which is going to be a fisherman's basket. So we've got some squid that I brought down, a couple of reddies we caught. Lee's going to do some chips. So yeah, I'll show you the end result. So he's just finishing up, guys, the episode. He's bloody done well. Have a go at that. Fisherman's basket.
Fish, squid, a few chips, a couple beers.
Couple of Bruscanos.
Can't go wrong, mate.
We're into it.
How was your Sunday?
Oh, mate. How do you get better? So we're going to punch this fish and chips and a bit of squid, and then we're going to hit the dam for a swim. We'll probably chill out. Might go for another Arvo flick. See how we go. Take you guys with us. Right guys, so we've been sitting around camp doing bloody absolutely nothing, so decided to go.
Everything you need for fishing rod, camera.
Camera, fishing rod. We're going to go have a quick afternoon flick, see if we can get something on camera.
Yep, a couple more perch I reckon.
Yeah.
Maybe a trout.
Maybe a trout. That's the goal.
Let's have a go.
Let's go. On.
Right off the shore, mate.
Little shoreline one. Look at that. Shucker.
Decent. Bit over the shuckers.
Bit over the shucks. We'll get him off. We'll give you a look. I'd say he's going back.
It's enough fish for one day.
Right guys, so that's the big rig in the afternoon. Lee measured it. Probably didn't catch her on camera, but just over a shuckers.
Bit over shuckers, mate.
Not bad. So we're just sitting at camp. We thought, bloody, it's looking majestic out here. So we thought, let's go for a flick, and that's what we got. Just
on the sunset, mate. Couple sunset readies.
Let's go. He's going to go back, guys. We've had our feed, so we're going to live to fight another day. Let's go. He's away, mate.
Nicely done, mate.
Line in. Let's go.
Get another one.
Lee's on. Shucker. Just.
Small shucker. Nice little reddy. Real orange fins on this bloke. We've had enough fish today, eh?
Mate, that's us, I reckon. I've called it, mate. The line's in.
You can go back. Get another one.
Righto guys, so that's pretty much us.
Been a time.
It has, mate. I'd like to thank you.
No, thanks for coming.
It's been another good trip, guys. Please jump over to the Bushrats, see their version of events.
Yep, little cook-ups all around.
It's been good.
If you come from our channel, checking out E-Dawgs, make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Support your locals, mate. 100%. E-Dawg, good bloke, mate. We always have a blast with you.
We do. We always have a laugh, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the episode, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Take it easy. Like and subscribe.
You.